What is up, y'all? It is me, Ray. Okay, so we are back in New York. We are on our way to go see the Lost Boys. I'm about to show y'all my Spirit jersey. I don't know if you can see it right now. The Lost Boys. I'll have June get a picture of what the back looks like. So Trey's getting ready to take a shower. He's gonna meet us there. June is already downstairs. I'm on my way. I am having, my allergies is acting up. It's been very windy. Feels very nice, but it's been very, very windy. So it's all good. I'm just excited to go see the Lost Boys. Yay! I'm sitting here kind of salty. They just told us that for the Disney Adventure, you only have to be 10 and up and you can go to Apollo Steakhouse for brunch. And I'm like, boo, that should be for adults only. So adults have something that they can do without children, but whatever. So going back to, let's go see the Lost Boys. This is the hotel we are staying at, the Courtyard Marriott, which is right here on 5th Avenue and 40th. I like it. Later on today, I will give you a room tour. They're getting ready to service my room. So we're gonna go see the Lost Boys and then I'll be back for a room tour. We're gonna go see the Lost Boys at the Palace Theater on 47th Street. We're walking. It is a little chilly out here. Not like freezing, but if you're in the shade, it's kind of cool if you're from Florida. Feels good to me because I'm a little fluffy, but I do have on long sleeves. I did bring my Spirit jersey.
Ray and I are about to go see The Lost Boys. The Lost Boys, if you don't know, is one of my favorite 80s movies, like probably my top favorite 80s vampires movies. Kiefer Sutherland, I forgot some of the other guys. I've heard a lot of good things about the play, so hopefully it was rightfully so. So I can't wait to go see The Lost Boys. I'm a fan, Ray's a fan, as you can see. And so let's go check it out.
I grew up watching the Lost Boys.
You had
They're my
TV?
sister's favorite.
Which one was your favorite?
Michael.
Not Kiefer Sutherland?
I liked him too, but I like Michael better. All right, we just showed our tickets. We are going up one flight on the escalator. I'm so very excited. I can't wait to go see the merch. I think I'm gonna wait for the merch to do it during the intermission. So yeah, I lied. I might as well show you guys the merch now since it's not that crowded. Rules to Live By hoodie. Let's see what else they have. Now I just gotta figure out what shirt I'm getting because you guys know I always get a t-shirt here, but you already know right here, I'm getting that one. But I need something that says Broadway. Maybe that one, but I need a t-shirt. The Lost Boys, and oh nope, I'm getting that black one. The Lost Boys, a new musical. That's the one I'm getting. The hoodie is super nice. That one says the musical too, but you guys, I'm in Florida. I can't wear hoodies. I'll pass out. How much was my t-shirt?
45.
All right, my t-shirt was 45. Here is my magnet. You guys know what I do. Sometimes I'll just make my magnet. I'll put a bow on it and turn it into an ornament to go on my Broadway tree. So it is intermission time, so you know I ran to the restroom real quick. Oh my goodness, can we talk about the special effects? Lost Boys is amazing. I cannot wait to bring Brooklyn and Rain to come see this as well. We're gonna see it again. We just came to see it this time with Trey. It is phenomenal so far. Oh, a must see. Like I said, so far every Broadway play or Broadway show or performance that we've seen has been 100% worth it. So we got good seats. They can sing really well. Oh my goodness, amazing. You were great.
Thank you.
First time seeing Lost Boys. Will not be my last. We got to bring our other two kids. We left them in Florida.
Oh.
So we came.
Now you can bring them back.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Did you see that one on this Wilson right there?
No, is that any good?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I need to see that. Thank you very much.
Thank
you so much for taking the time. We really appreciate that. Thank you. Pleasure.
If you're a Lost Boys fan, period, you're going to love this. Not 100% the same, which is great. The music is great. And darn, can we talk about the singers and star? Woo! Your voice Amazing. Her name is Maria. Maria already looked you up. Amazing. I will be following you on Instagram now. All the characters who played Star, Michael, Sam, David, all of you, amazing. That's all I'm gonna say. Amazing. Even the head vampire. You got a nice voice too, sir. When you were singing at that park, I was like, okay. The gentleman that played David reminded me so much of a younger Robert Downey Jr. I was like, okay, I see little baby Iron Man over there on stage. Fantastic. Please go see The Lost Boys the musical if you are here in New York City. Let me give you this quick room tour. I did promise you I was gonna give you a room tour. As soon as you open up the door, here's a little closet where we already have some clothes hanging up and our laundry is already on the floor ready to go. All right, right next to that is the bathroom where my son is in the mirror on his phone, but here's the shower. The hotel comes with the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It smells pretty good, called North 39. This is where you can find the towels. If you want to reuse your towel and not kill the planet, leave that hanging up and they will recycle your towels. There's nothing fancy about the room, but it's also, you have a little bit of space. It's not tiny. It's not really a tiny bathroom. Now the beds, whew, 2 double beds. Right behind that is the TV, the dresser, and a little office desk. And we had to ask for the refrigerator down here. The room does not come with one, but you can request one. If you open up this cabinet, this is where the safe is located. This hotel is really located in a nice location. It is off of 40th and 5th Avenue. I like it. I'm able to walk to everywhere I gotta go, and if I don't feel like walking, the subway's not like maybe a block down, jump on the subway and go where I gotta go. We're getting ready to go to the movies because I need something to help me out, because last night we saw a movie called Backrooms. It was terrible. Great actors, great actresses, but the storyline was doo-doo with a dash of caca.
It has the 4th biggest opening day for a horror movie ever.
It was terrible. I don't even know how that was a horror movie. I was like, what is this? And what did I just watch? And guys, I promise you, as soon as the end credit like came up on the screen, I just started laughing. Because I'm like, I know that is not it. Like, wait a minute, hold up. Even the man next to me was laughing. And he was like, I could have stayed home. And I'm thinking the same thing. Like, can I get them 2 hours back? So now we have to go redeem ourselves and go see another movie. I don't even know what we're seeing, but it can't be worse than that. That's all I'm saying. Just got back from watching Pitfall. It wasn't as terrible as the movie last night. It was entertaining, but it just didn't really make sense. Like, why the guy, spoiler alert, was just killing people for the hell of it. Like, it's kind of like Jason a little bit, because he had like mommy issues, but it was just like, you were just killing people, just okay. It was entertaining. Would I watch it at home? Yes. Would I pay to go to the movies? No. But I have A-list, so I'm not complaining. All right. We are going to call it a night. Just getting back to the room, getting ready to shower, get in this bed, and start a whole new day tomorrow.
We are headed to 50th Street to go check out an off-Broadway play. This is going to be our first off-Broadway play. It is called the 25th Annual Putnam County Spelling Bee, and it stars the beautiful and wonderful Jasmine Amy Rogers of Boop fame. You guys know how much we love Boop. So we're gonna go check it out because she is a star, and I've heard good things.
Yeah, it's like 6 o'clock. Everybody's just getting off work. If any of you are wondering, Trey's at the Garden getting ready to go see Don Tolliver. This is a sold out concert, which means it is going to be nuts. I hope he has a good time. He has VIP tickets. Good thing is he's the only son, so we only had to buy one. But I hope he has fun. And I'm excited to go see my first off-Broadway play. So that's exciting. So it's a little different. It's not like a single theater. It's like a bunch of different like theaters in one building. So we had to go down the escalator, and then they have like a full service bar right here that you can get a drink, take it to your chair. So I don't know what it looks like there. I'm hoping they got merchandise because I would like to buy a shirt. Here is the bar. So far it's been very simple. We have really good seats and we only paid $114. We've never paid that a little bit of amount, except that one time I seen Hamilton, but my seats weren't this good. Now these seats are great. They also have merchandise, but this ain't the show we're seeing. So we'll be skipping this merchandise. Aww. So this is the t-shirt I end up getting, and then I also got a keychain to put on my Broadway tree at the house. We're getting ready to watch the show. Of course, no filming. I'll let you know at the end what we thought about it. Oh, hey! Hi, beautiful voice.
Thank you so
Love
much.
it. This was a really good show.
Yeah, I think so too. It's different every night, so it keeps it exciting too.
Ooh, I
don't
love
always get
it.
to go on, so.
Oh, I'm glad
I'm
you're
not
on.
excited.
Oh, well, thank you.
Thank you.
This was good. Thank you. Hi. This was a great show. I loved it.
I'm so glad.
I appreciate it. You're funny.
Thank you so much.
So the gentleman from the play That Goes Wrong is out here signing too. So looks like this might be the door for all the plays. One location. Dang! Now I can leave.
I knew I had to come up here because I saw y'all out there.
Nobody could play Betty.
We actually stalked you a little bit.
Nobody.
When you were over there, we waited for you to come out the sign. And
Yes. I think I waited like 45 minutes. I'm like, no, she's gonna come. What? She's gonna wait till everyone leaves. I'm like, she's coming.
You are a star.
I think I saw you.
Yes. Her voice is amazing. Yes, yay, gonna take a picture. I'm so happy. We just finished our musical. It was really cute.
We watched the 25th annual Putnam County Spelling Bee. That's a mouthful. But you know what I did not know? I didn't know John Cryer was going to be in it. Of Pretty in Pink fame and 2 and a Half Men. He was in it. He was funny. The entire play was probably the cutest play that I've ever seen, ever. It was hilarious.
And they had a real spelling bee champion.
The 2026 Scripps National Spelling Bee champion was also in the musical, so that was kind of cool too.
And he was spelling words I never even heard
That's
of.
a word?
And Jasmine came out and signed, and I am so excited because you guys knew I couldn't get her for boot. She just had too many people there. It was just so many. But this time she came out and signed. We took some selfies. You guys, she is going to be a major star.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, she's going to be a major star. Her voice is phenomenal.
Her acting
she
range
can
is great.
act.
Yes.
Yeah, she can just cry on cue. And I'm like, how you doing that? Like, what you thinking
She
about
is
to be able to
wonderful.
do that?
When I saw her in Boop, I knew she was going to be somebody big.
Right.
That's how big of a star. Her star prowess is shine really, really bright.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you get a chance to see Jasmine go to work, then
anything
go see
that
her.
she's in, go
Anything.
see her because she's really
She
great.
really is. We'll be there to see her in anything.
Right.
I'll
And-
probably go see this again.
Yeah, and we wish you the best of luck.
Yes, Michelle.
because we know you're going to be somebody
no
super
doubt
huge.
about it.
I mean, you already somebody.
Right.
Somebody humongous.
Trey's still at his concert in Madison Square Garden, so hopefully he's having fun. Ray and I are going to probably go stop and get something to eat. Not really sure where. We had a meal today at Carnegie Diner. Hated it.
It was
I was
not
not a
good.
fan. Ray got the pastrami hot dog. Not good. I got the chicken salad. I don't know what I was thinking. I wanted chicken salad, but theirs was not what. You know how you think of something and then you eat it and it's like, that is not what I wanted. But that's exactly what happened.
Facts.
So I won't be getting that again from there.
But you know what? There's this pizza spot right across the street from our hotel.
Not
and
bad.
I had a slice yesterday.
Yeah,
Oh
it's
my,
not bad.
that thing was delicious.
Yeah, you didn't have a piece, you had a slice.
I had a slice yesterday. So we're going to probably go grab that because it's getting a little chilly and I didn't bring a jacket. So there's that. But all right, so we're getting ready to walk back to our room. We only got to walk like 20 blocks.
I highly recommend checking out the 25th annual Putnam County Spelling Bee starring Mrs. Jasmine Amy Rogers. She's wonderful. The play's wonderful. It's very humorous. Go check it out if you get a chance to see it. And the tickets, well, it was off Broadway. That meant the tickets were cheaper.
Yeah, it was like
This is
$114.
the cheapest we ever paid with tickets. Besides the time Ray got the $99 Hamilton seats, but
And
this
we
was pretty
sat in
good.
row F.
And we had a really good seat. You see their faces, their facial expressions.
Mm-hmm.
That theater is very small, so I don't think there's a bad seat in the house that I could see. But our seats were great, so I wasn't really looking around. I was worried about my stuff. They also have audience participation, so there's a splash zone, so you might get wet.
And they might ask you to come on stage and spell.
And I was able, there's that. And they were throwing candy out in one part of the show, and I actually caught one.
Yeah, I caught
You caught
one
too, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, so yeah, it's cool. Bye.